Hello everyone. In the previous video on QChecker, we have discussed about how to open QChecker environment editor and what are the different procedure to open the QChecker environment editor. And we had the discussion on QChecker, what is QChecker and why should we use QChecker environment. Now in this video we will discuss on the structure of a environment editor, QChecker environment editor. So the structure of QChecker environment like this. Just double click on this QChecker for opening the QChecker environment. Yes. Now you can see here. You just for example, you can see here you will get the QChecker windows like environment setting window help. So these are the some option list and configuration dialog block. Now you can see here the option. In the option you will get the regional setting, general setting, priority, check, shield, model type, check, condition, element selection and profile. So this option is very important for setting the queue checker environment. Now and here, now you can see here the thing which is being used in queue checker. Here these are the tools, toolbar toolbar that are new of pen, then import with the plugin or reference model, then save, then here it is so hide log, then so hide the criteria pool, then here it is so hide environment tab, then help, then your this is your environment, and this is the next tab which is not activated. Once you create the profile, then this next tab it will be activated, that is your profile tool. Okay, so we will discuss how to create an environment and how to create one profile later. First we will discuss on this option, the queue checker environment option and their configuration. Okay, so here it is, these are the tools, these are some toolbar in queue checker, and here you will get the option list like regional setting, general setting, priorities, check, shield, model type, check, condition, element type and element selection and profile. Now you can see here, uh, while I check in the regional setting, in the left corner, left bottom corner, you will get that one status is coming, that is the regional setting. So this is your status bar. Okay, if you check on click on this general setting, and you can see the in the left bottom corner, the status is in general setting. Okay, now let's take some look on this option. Now here it is regional setting. Regional setting is nothing but your language selection and your unit selection. Now here by default some language are there, like English. If you go with this, if you want to add some default languages are there, that are English, Germany, French and Japanese and simplified Chinese. Okay, if you want to add this Japanese language, and then you just click on this plus sign, then that Dutch, Japan, German language is added in this environment. Okay, in the current environment language. Okay, now if you want to add any other friends or anything, you just click on the plus sign, it will be add. Okay, and see, once you add this French and all, then it will comes in French language only, Francis language only. So let's come with the English language only. Okay, English. If you want to delete the language, you just just click on this, and here I want to remove this French language. Just go to this here, minus sign is there, so the language has been removed. Okay, and you just, for saving the language, you just set the selected language as a standard language. Okay, here this is this tick mark showing this uh, showing that is your set the selected language as a standard language. If you want to use your uh, additional language or your custom language, then you can use your custom language. Like here I will add od, I want to add Odisha, so here double click here, and you can go create write your language. Od is my language code, and this is my language. Okay, now we can see here the language has been set by default is in English. If you want to set your language like Odi or Odisha, then just click on this second language type and click on the OK. Now your current language is Odis, Od. Okay, now similarly if you want to remove this, you just go to the remove selected language, click on the language and select to remove. Okay, now here it is unit. Okay, so in queue checker environment there are some default units available, that is for length, millimeter and inches. See, in queue checker environment two units are being used. One is millimeter, another is inches. um, See, there are two units, that is millimeter and inches. Okay, in length, and for area also millimeter square and inches square. Volume also according to your requirement, you just set your unit like this. Okay, then once set your unit, you just click on save, so your unit will be set. Okay, so then after general setting, so general setting is nothing but you what you want to see uh, in Catia, Catia windows. Okay, whatever you will set in this queue checker and environment editor, it will show in your, it will reflect in Catia, uh, in your queue checker integrated Catia. Okay, in your queue checker environment Catia, sorry. Okay, now here so see, this thing is being added. So see, whatever I check on, it will see, it will be reflect in queue checker integrated Catia. I'm opening the queue checker integrated Catia. So whatever I have check on in this, it is being here. Okay, if you want to check in here, this deleted selected report, whatever the deleted selected report you want to see in deleted all report, pdu help. Okay, and save here, and you can see, just a second. I'm deleting this, and here I need to save this. Okay, new environment and save it. Okay, then and I want, if I want to open this queue checker, it will show in this. See, non deleted environment, no queue checker report is available. So once this report will available, it will show here. So these are something which is show in the thing, but this thing is not needed right now. So the report in the window, analysis window, so the report HTML report, so the report in external analysis window, it is already predefined selected. Now analysis window, so here in analysis window I have check all the thing, check all, and here by loading a general editor, uh, see these are whatever the selection we had, that is being, or if you select the violated and general error, then only the violate and general error will show in the queue checker environment. Okay, and if you want to see in all the report, then it will show the report. And see here the special mention is check not called. Okay, if some check is not called, like some check are in a part design check. Okay, but you being used it, that part design check in the product design, and in the product design that check won't be used, then at that condition it will show you the color of the check is uh, sky blue. Okay, in this way, and here you can see this, like that it will show you, and here some color code given. If you want to add some here, then you can add here. See this, set the no, if the check is not called, it will show in blue, like that you can check, but already by default it will be in sky blue color. Okay, now comes to this batch mode setting. Batch mode setting is used for a scripting and all. Batch mode means at a time part product drawing or checks will be execute at a time, will execute at a time. At that condition, this thing you need to check on this, enable the option by default, allow user to change this report, change this option. Okay, now come to the report. See, we had already discussed on the start window that we want to see the show the report in analysis window, HTML report, and external windows. So here you can see this is the show internal check report, means in analysis window, and here it is analysis viewer. Okay, then civil builder it is not required. Okay, now come to the check model dialog. So you can see here, if healing function is there in a, means healing function means if some error is there, and if it is possible to uh, to solve the error automatically, then at that condition healing option will be there by default in queue checker environment. Okay, so see in the at the time of assessment, if some healing function is there, then it will prompt you want to solve the assessment or not. Healed, critical healing, violating criteria, part number, check mode, status, type, storage name. This should be check, this will be check in the queue checker environment. Now show and hide, you can see the show the report. This is this symbol, this icon is represent that show the report. Okay, so the report, if you check on this, then it will be here, you can see show the report. Okay, then here it is reperform the check. If you have already performed some check and you edit, modify the check by using this environment editor, then you no need to come again, just save it, and here you it will show you. See here you will get this. Okay, here it will show you, just a second. Here it will show you, you want to modify the report or not. Just click on this, it will show you the, just a second, I will add here. Just saving this environment, and you can see here these are the thing. So here it is display the report, here it is display the report in HTML format. Okay, see, display the report in HTML format, and here it is HTM XMM. Okay, analysis viewer, and here it is display the report in this environment only. Okay, and here you will get this thing also, what is the deleted report, no deleted report is there, and deleted all report means you want to delete all this report for the product design, you want to delete here directly by the, if it the run as check. And here you will get this, see, for this is enable and zooming. Okay, if product is there, if some structure is there, if you want to zoom this particular type of check, then you can go with zoom. And here it is by entity, see, by criteria means some default check already taken, because I have not created any environment and any profile. So how to create an environment and profile I will discuss here after this. So by entity, by the product, whatever the checks is there, it will be show at the list. Now here it is enable at the element, create the permanent marking element, then create element, then these are some thing. And here it is XML report, create report only, analysis viewer, analysis in q checker, you can apply here and run this, proceed and thing. Okay, I think this thing also clear. Now these are the some check, how where you will use the check. Then pdf save is there, means if your report file have save in a particular name, and again in the same name it is saving in that location, it will show you that the store model or the store mode will be in overwritten. So if it will ask to you to change the report name or overwritten, if you click OK, then it will be save you by overwritten. Then plugin, it is something called extension report generation. Now database attribute, or database attribute, like I want text. Okay, so I want some number, text name is key is this text, and the text length is 128. And if the report will generate in text format, then the text length will be this. And if I will go with I want to, if I see here, you will get the integer value, you can set this integer value also. Why it is not check the integer value, I don't know, but you can set this one. Here you will get, say, you can set the real number. Okay, we can set this one, why it is not coming. You can set this attribute. Okay, if the text is beyond the 128, it won't be saving the database real number and all. Now here it is priorities. So in the design, we should have give some priorities for checking the error. Okay, if some you can see here in order, the identifier, it will show you in green color, interrupt it will show in black color, general error, so general error it will be in white color, and not valid check it will be in that, modify will be this. So it is not an issue. So our thing is priorities. Okay, See, in priorities there are some setting also. Wait, yes, just a second, I forgot to tell you. So if you want the highest priority is in 100, 10, 1, okay, and it means if the design is totally wrong or it is not satisfying the condition of design rule, then it will take to you that the condition is totally different, means it is interrupt and it will show in black color. And if it is some error, but it can be changed by modifying the design, then it will show in red color. And if having some error, okay, and it can be also possible but minor error, then it will be in yellow color. And blue color it is showing you the error. And you can set the value like uh, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now second one is sum of the weight calculation is something different. There is some mathematical formula for calculation of weight, sum of weight of the error. Now here it is percentages. Okay, so let here I will the percentages like 10 10. Okay, see the percentages of the design means whatever the checks you have done. Okay, if it is satisfy the checks is that 10 if it is minor error, you can set the text sorry error priorities. I will tell you at the time of profile creation. Okay, so there are some you can set the warning error according to your setting environment. Okay, so if the error percentage is 10 to 30, it will be comes under error tab. Then if it is the if the wait, okay, 30 70 to 30, then it will become in severe error. And if it is 100%, then it will be interrupted condition, so we cannot go proceed the design. It will show the thing like this. Now here it is check shield. Check shield is nothing but your no shield or no shield criteria validation. You can add this check shield is used for EKL scripting purpose. Okay, so these are not useful for this the basic training. And here it is the most important thing is model type. So by default we can use the model type that part product drawing standard. Okay, so in this you can add the model type also. So if you want some model like see, if it is a part product and all, see the description is check only part product drawing standard type setting. Okay, but I want something which is my type of model. So here I want all these things. It will satisfy the card part checks or product checks and the drawing checks, then I can add this one also in a one model type. Okay, so okay, if I want to check the model like piston cylinder arrangement, I will add here piston cylinder arrangement checks. Okay, so we can do that one also. Now here is check condition is not required. Check condition here also you can add something, but check condition you will give that check means the you should add something here. And here you will write some script. Then element type here also scripted, it is not useful for us, but we will run the check element for all this part drawing analysis process and all. And if it is path of the body, see if you have a part and it has several body, then you will write the path of the body. Okay, and path of the body to be ignored. Now here it is. Now you can see the profile toolbar. Okay, profile. So we had completed. If I want see I have created or not. Yes, model type. I need to save this one. See, every time we need to save. Okay, whatever if any change or modification is done, you need to save this one. And here, if you want to add this, see, I want to add this. Then my Suraj type of it's coming. I can go with this any of the thing, and I will add here in the Suraj. Okay. So for profile, we will discuss broadly. Now comes to the just a second. Yes. Hmm. Comes to the toolbars. So these are some some information on option toolbar. Now here it is a main toolbar. Okay. So option integrated thing. Now it's main toolbar. So new. So new, it is used for creating the new environment. So here also you can select the language, see French language or German language, Japanese language. You can select this language from here itself by while creating the new environment. Okay, now here is the second option is open. So if you open, it will take to you a default admin environment, means default environment. See, the default environment, by default it will create some rules condition. Okay, see here standard sheet metal part design, the second one is only standard. Okay, the analysis standard something is there. So it will take to the admin environment. How and this admin environment is already existing in the folder location. You can go with this, or you can search here tcql, sorry tcqc and admin. Sorry, here it is. Go to for program data, then here you will get this environment q checker. Hmm, program by just a second, it should be available here. Program data. NOP. Just a second. Yes, you can see the in the environment, that is tcqa admin environment. It is this q checker is stored. You can go with this, or you can go with here and paste here. Click OK. See here it is the default environment plugin. Okay, some default card product already there. Okay, and here what is that user also, tcqs user. This is your user environment. user environment. Okay, so just now I have created a new environment. That's why in the user environment it has created, and here you will get the user environment, and you will get the report. See, I have created one report also, so it has generated here. You can customize this one also by using the QChecker environment file. Okay, but it required admin folder, admin access. Okay, now here it is also the same plugin. It is if you have some look, what is that, you have a predefined queue, predefined check, then you can go with this folder. Like, see, by user environment I have created this new environment. Okay, if I will go, I want to run this check again in the in another machine, so I will just copy and paste in that same location, then it will create the environment. Okay, automatic this environment will come here like that. See, open from a new environment. See, user environment, new environment is there like that. If you copy and paste in that user environment folder, then it will show automatically from the machine where you pasted the environment. Then here it is, this is your save. Then hide and show of this log if the current environment has been imported. Okay, if your current environment has been imported and the log of the contain information about the importer, to show the respective setting in the environment, double click on it, enter the log. See, if it is imported, then it will show that there are how many errors are there, how many um, what is that warning are there, it will show you here. See, the value is ignored message, any message is there, no message is there. So log file is basically a log file. Okay, criteria pool, and this is, here it is criteria pool. If you want to hide the criteria pool, it will be hide, and it want to unhide it, unhide. Then here it is log the criteria pool. See, here it is on log. Now if you want to log this, so it won't be move anywhere, but if you want to unlock it, it will be move anywhere else. Okay, like this you can lock and unlock the thing. Now here it is show the environment tab, so and hide the environment tab. Just a second, I will delete this. Okay, now here it is show and hide the environment tab. Now you can see, if you click on this, where the environment folder is there, it will show you the environment type. Okay, one is user data new environment, another is default one. Okay, there are two environment involved in this. So if you click on the new environment, there is no profile, but if you click on the default environment, some profiles are there. Okay, then here it is profile, and here it, no sorry, this is environment profile. Okay, this is your environment profile. Sorry, these are the environment profile, and this is your profile, that is your options. Option tab. So hope you got some idea on the QChecker environment structure toolbar. Thank you. In the next video we will discuss on the profile creation and how to check create the check. Thank you all.